want to know your Harrison, that's your sole interest, go for speed. You want to prepare for entrance, go for speed. So I was like, okay, this is the only app I am choosing. I will do everything from here. And I'm very thankful to all the faculties and God.
Yeah, I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of Speed to Dr.
Thank you.
Karishma for scoring rank number 653, Dr. Karishma Das in DM Medical Group in NEET SS session 2025. Congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
And also, I thank you for your valuable time and to share your experiences with us and for the students who are watching this video.
Thank you, sir.
And can we know a brief background from where you started till date, what all you have accomplished and done?
Sir, I passed my post graduation in the year 2023. So just after post graduation, I was not into that trend that immediately have to pursue my DM because my residency was quite hectic. So I didn't get time to complete the Harrison. So my sole intention of at that time itself, I purchased Speed app because my seniors have told that if you want to know Harrison properly, first of all, you need to have Speed with you. So I just took up speed, and from the month of I didn't appear for any entrance exam in the year 2023. So in the month of November, I took up the speed app, and because I always had an interest for gastro, so I just started randomly watching Dheeraj sir's videos. Out of not with not any intention of preparing for entrance. I just wanted to know my subject properly, know medicine properly, and I fell in love with sir's videos. And within a span of I think 15 days, I completed all the videos, and just like that, I started attempting all the questions also, and I really found it very useful. So at that time, that was the moment I realized that I think I need to explore more branches to see if I want to do DM. And slowly, I started watching those videos, but uh, still I was not in the mood that I have to pursue DM. I actually took up the NEET SS entrance more seriously in the year 2025. I appeared for NEET SS in 2025, but I was not at all prepared. I just went to see how the exam was, and I didn't qualify in NEET SS 2025. So after that, from May, June, I started studying seriously. I started giving all those GTs, and so this year I'm happy with the result.
Great, great, perfect, and very nice to know. And thanks for sharing it up. And so during your preparation of for super specialty, what was your interest of super specialty?
Sir, I actually I did my SRship in a government hospital, and then I am practicing in a private institute. So I was just exploring the branches. I was watching those videos, and with the patient interaction, I realized that I have interest in two branches actually. One is gastro, and another is nephro. So I am exploring more of these branches, and I really wish that I get a seat in one of these.
Very nice, very nice. So your interest was medical gastro, then one more option came to your mind.
Yes, it was nephrology.
Okay, great, great. Now, I mean, you had to decide or you decided already?
Sir, I'm just with these two branches. It is just for the preference of college with my rank. So I would opt for any of these two branches.
Okay. So how many questions did you attend this paper and what was your experience of this paper?
So the paper was very unpredictable, as I think many of the students have mentioned. But I would say that I attempted 112 questions all total. I don't know how many of them I got correct till now. But I think this paper it tested more of your concepts rather than fact based. I think your this NEET SS is way different from NEET PG is what I felt. It is not at all fact based. Your concepts have to be clear. You need to know your textbooks properly because that is what they tested at the end. And in that 1 minute which is given for each question, your brain needs to run a lot. Only I think 4 or 5 questions were fact based. Rest all of them it required core concepts, and for that the textbook is very important, sir.
Great, very nice. Doctor, what will be your advice for the future aspirants?
So my fact is that you need to know your subject first. That is very important, which I feel that everybody is into the trend that you need to do DM immediately post your MD is not, I think, necessary. You need to explore what you like. For that, you have to know your subject properly and to know that. I think Harrison, for me, that's my personal experience, is Harrison is such a vast book. To complete it during residency on your own, just to read through the pages, it's not easy. And I think speed has helped me to a great extent. I didn't know that Harrison had so much information until and unless I went through the videos, and then I realized, oh, that this is there in the book itself. I didn't know that. And speed also has this advantage that it keeps on updating every year. So I have been watching the video since 2023, and the info which was during 2023 and in 2025, it is different. And that is very important because it is not possible. It is not possible to go through the Harrison again and again to know if something new has been added, because the new edition came in August 2025. So it was not possible in such a short span of time. So I remember watching Azim sir's video because cardiology was my weak point. So I took time and watched all the new videos of 2025, and I realized where the new stuff were added in Harrison. It is very important to know your textbook, because just going through any unnecessary notes is not going to work in NEET SS. I think you have to know your concepts very well.
Great. It's very brief, and thanks for sharing. And faculties will be very happy, and team of Speed also very happy listening to this good words that you have given to them. Thank you very much on behalf of all of them. And time to thank, and whom all you feel that to thank, that they stood from day one till date in your career to what you are today. You can use this platform to thank everybody.
Yes, sir. My family has been very supportive. I think my husband, he has been pushing me a lot, because at this point it is quite difficult to sit and prepare for an entrance exam. At this age, it is quite difficult. So he has pushed me to appear for all the GTs, even when I was not in the mood, because the GT scores were not improving at one point. Even then, I used to appear for GTs no matter what. And he used to sit with me and just make me realize that where are the mistakes. He's not from a medical background, but he has tried his best so that he can help me with this exam. So I'm very thankful to him and my parents.
Great, great. And we once again wish you all the very best, all the success for a super specialty in DM. And
Thank you, sir.
definitely your clarity and a focus and a dedication and persistence will bring
Sir,
in.
I owe Speed a lot, sir, because Speed was with me when I was not preparing for an entrance exam. I wanted to know my subject first, and till the time I started preparing, this is the only app I have trusted. I had no interest. I just listened to my seniors. They said, "You want to know your Harrison? That's your sole interest. Go for Speed. You want to prepare for entrance? Go for Speed." So I was like, "Okay, this is the only app I am choosing. I will do everything from here." And I'm very thankful to all the faculties and God that this time I think I'm going to make it.
Very nice, doctor. Great. And all your good words means a lot to us. And
Thank you, sir.
because we are back-end workers, and we work for students who are in the front end. So
Thank
when
you, sir.
you are happy and when your dream comes true, and we are happy in the back end. And once again, we wish you all the very best and all the success.
Thank you, sir.